welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So on today's video we are going to be making some pumpkin soup, and then our ingredients will have some coconut milk, 2 apples, 1 white onion, and some organic ground cinnamon, some salt, and some olive oil spray. No, this is avocado oil spray, which we're going to spray on our pan and our pumpkin. So for me, I do not peel my pumpkin, so you can see this is half of it. I had already used half of it last week to make some soup. So what I do, because it can be a little bit hard peeling the pumpkin, I just cut the pumpkin, put it in the oven, and then once it's baked, I will just peel off the skin and remove the seeds. But in my scenario this time, it doesn't have a lot of seeds, so I'm not going to put some good use to the pumpkin seed. But many a times I just blend it in with the soup as it's always baked. So this is a very simple recipe. So just try, cut up the pumpkin, and you will be good to go. I am going to, seems like we are done now. So I'll just spray my pan. I already put some oil here, so it doesn't become sticky. I will put my pumpkin there. Then put it in the oven. I already started my oven for about 350 degrees. We'll bake our pumpkin. I just like mine like golden brown, so when I make the soup it has that kick to it. So we'll just put this in the oven and then we'll come back later. My pumpkin is ready, and while I'm preparing it, I'm gonna start heating up my oil so that we can put our onions in. So we're using olive oil. We'll just pour a little bit so that we can cook our onions. I'll turn the stove on high, and in the meantime, I'm going to be working on the pumpkin that we baked earlier. Remember, I baked it. And so how I do it is, after baking, I just get my spoon and I remove the top part of the pumpkin. Right now our pumpkin is very soft, and with a knife I peel the bottom part, which is very easy. You don't have to deal with the pumpkin when it's really hard. Look, our pumpkin is done. This is the last piece. I had done a few pieces earlier, and you can see some pieces are missing because somebody already ate the baked pumpkin. My family loves baked pumpkin. For those who do not eat the one that's already in the soup version. So it seems like my oil has already heated up. We'll go ahead and add our onions. Spoon a little bit, not much. So we'll do that. And when that is cooking, just make sure you give it a good mix. While our onion is cooking, I'm gonna slice out the apples. I just cut them in little squares and remove the seed. Sometimes I just cook with the seed because everything here is nutritious. Just remove the bottom part of the apple and this little part where the apple holds onto the leaf. So like that. I remove the bottom part, that part. Ooh. See, for me, I just prepare these things as we are going along, because sometimes after coming from work I don't have time to prepare then cook. So we are just preparing as we go. And my surface is clean, so if you see anything fall on my surface, it's clean and I can cook with it. So it seems like our onion is cooking. It's browning in here. Things are getting pretty hot here. So when this is done, I just like it a little bit golden brown. Give it a mix. So it seems like our onion is brown as I wanted it. So I'll go ahead and add my apple. Oh, I see a label there. I wasn't taken out correctly. So there you go. My apples are in here. You can see I'm not gonna do blended. So what we're gonna do, I have this little gadget here. This is what I use to blend my soup. It's really fast instead of putting it in a blender. But in this case, I will put it on the surface because my stove is still hot. So we'll put a towel over here. I'm gonna put this over because I don't want to burn my counter. So you can see we are all done. I will unplug my gadget, let's call it that way for lack of a better word. Put that there, and we will transfer this soup into a very nice bowl and ready to serve. This is how we will do it. There we go. There we go. That's our soup. I will scoop the rest out. I got this cooking stick, but I will use my towel because the pot is hot. So just do that. See, it's getting out everything. Look at that. My pot is gonna be left as clean as it was meant to be. Look at that. Yeah, we're done. Look, no wastage. Everything out. So hope you get to try this type of soup. It's a pumpkin coconut, creamy coconut soup. It's made out of pumpkin and apples are just there to give it a nice, sweet, tangy taste. Hope you enjoy this type of content. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can help me grow the channel. Thank you.